Guys, good evening. So I just sent a message that for those who are using our MoneyPoint POS terminal and the terminal is under insurance and you are having some challenges, maybe the button, something happened and one of the button is faulty. You know, the implication is if you are under insurance, that's the yearly insurance, 1,500, the POS will be changed for you free of charge. You're not going to pay a dime. So if you are using MoneyPoint business app and you want to know if your POS terminal is on insurance, all you need to do is to log into your app. I've logged into this app already. So if the business account is attached, if a POS is attached to the business account, you click here to tell you. So this account now has a POS terminal attached to it. So as you can see, it shows top wise. So I'll click on this